everyone, good day to you all. Welcome to my channel, welcome to my page, African Delight Delicacy and Chibaby Solomon. So today in my kitchen I'll be making catfish vegetable soup. I've done this recipe before, so today I'm gonna repeat the recipe in my kitchen. So guys, please, if you are watching me for the very first time, like my page, follow my page, share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. So yes, let's go make that delicious catfish vegetable soup. So for the vegetable I'll use spinach. You can use any vegetable of your choice. So guys, stay tuned while we make this delicious soup. You can see the catfish is clean. It's very clean, so I'll be saucing it with salt and chicken stock. Then I'm gonna keep it in the freezer to let it settle for a while I prepare other ingredients that I'll be using. Why I want to use this method is because I don't want to steam the catfish. Catfish here is very delicate, so once you steam it and fry it into pieces in the oil. So what I will do is that I'm just gonna salt it, then I put chicken stock, let it settle for a while, then I'm going to fry it in a oil before I can use it for the vegetable soup. All right, the vegetable is cleaned and sliced, so the fish is ready, the catfish is ready. You can see I fried the catfish. Here is a mangala dry fish from Thailand. This is chili, blended chili. Here is crayfish, blended crayfish. This is onion. This is fresh tomato that I'll be using. So guys, let's go and cook this wonderful dish.